Hello everyone, this is Baljit Singh and you are watching my YouTube channel bababachhu English class. आज हम अपने यहाँ टेंस के बारे में बात करेंगे. एक्चुअली टेंस क्या होता है और इसको किस प्रकार से समझा जा सकता है. मोस्टली टीचर टेंस को टाइम बताते हैं. एक्चुअली टेंस टाइम नहीं होता है. टेंस क्या होता है? टेंस एक क्रिया की अवस्था होती है. So let's talk about the definitions of tense. Tense is that form of a verb which shows the time of its action and degrees of its completeness. जैसा कि हमने आपको बताया कि टेंस टाइम नहीं होता. टेंस क्या होता है? फॉर्म ऑफ ए वर्ब. सो गाइज, हमें ये भी मालूम होना चाहिए कि ये वर्ब की जो फॉर्म्स होती हैं वो कितनी होती हैं. सो देयर आर 3 काइंड्स ऑफ. नंबर 1 प्रेजेंट टेंस, नंबर 2 पास्ट टेंस, number 3 future tense. Now if you talk about each tense definitions, so first of all we'll have the present tense. As I told you, it's depend on your action. If your action is done at the present time, it's called just the present tense. If your action is done at the past time, it's called just the past tense. And if your action is to take place at the future time, it's called just the future tense. Now, if you talk about the present tense form, guys, there are 5 types of. First, indefinite. Second, definite. Third, continuous. Fourth, perfect. Fifth, perfect continuous. So like, in present tense, we have a 5th type of forms, like we have in past tense and also likewise in future tense. So guys, this is the tense. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.